Alright, final video for tonight. Sihag means to be opaque, like see-through, opacity, right? To be opaque. Um, Hikot means to tie something up, right, with the rope. So you're tying something up with the rope, you're gonna tie a box, tie something, right? And rope is bisi. Bisi is rope. Hamis is smooth to touch, something that's smooth and silky to touch, smooth lining, right? Hamis. Um, Now is something that's shiny, glossy, and luster, like it shines and sparkles, and it's very glossy and shiny and sparkly. Is Now. Matikongkong. Matikongkong is to curl up, like curl up your legs, curl up to be in a fetal position, right? To curl up in bed like that, right? Um, Tapad, so tapad is to stay or be next to or be beside someone. Maybe you're keeping them company, you're sitting next to someone, you sit next to someone, you sit next to somebody pretty, you're keeping somebody company, you're just next to somebody, you're staying with somebody to be next to them or something like that, right? Or like, oh, you sat next to somebody on a bus, something like that. Tagna. Tagna is to guess something, like to guess, to make a guess, to make a prediction, to make a prophecy, to prophesize, right? To predict outcomes, to make a guess. Oh gosh. And then sabat. Sabat means to repeat after, right? So after someone is done talking, you talk after somebody, to repeat after someone. Rebulto is like the little figurine, the statues and figures or sculptures, right? Statues and sculptures of figures, like they're prominent figures, whether they're in historical figures or religious figures, right? Figurines, something like that, right? Historical or prominent or religious. These are the statues and sculptures of them, of famous things, right? Of like figures through the ages or something like that. Guot is to be stuffy or to be tight fitting. Guot. Bit means to carry by hand or to hand carry something, right? You're using your hands to carry it. Sup means to suck, like you're sucking something. Whether you're sucking from a tube, sucking from a straw, you're sucking from something, right? You're sucking just to get something out, right? Or like you're sucking a lollipop, something like that, right? Sucking candy, sucking food. Now, the dirty suck for you adults out there is tsupa. This is a loan word from Spanish, right? Tsupa. That's the more adult and dirty, playful word. And finally, we have lig-on. Lig-on means to be strong and sturdy, like in terms of objects. So strong and sturdy or healthy, like in terms of objects. So a house could be strong and sturdy. Things are like that are strong and sturdy and durable and can last, right? Lig-on. Now, healthy is in terms of human, like strong and healthy and robust in humans is himsog, mahimsog, right? Himsog is like to be healthy and robust and to be just good and full and just satisfying, right? So yeah, hopefully this one helped.